Hey gadget lovers! Many gamers these days struggle with a tangle of cables and dead controllers without even realizing it. Upgrading your gaming setup with a dedicated charging station will upgrade your life in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best charging docks go beyond simple power delivery. They organize, protect, and ensure your gear is always ready for action. We have the best options ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links in the description below because they're going to take you to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's get your controllers charged up. Number 5. PURBHE 4-in-1 Switch Joy-Con Charging Dock. We're starting off in the world of Nintendo with this fantastic value option from PURBHE. This simple yet effective dock supports charging for 4 Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons at the same time, or you can use it as a neat storage station for your unused controllers. It features an imitation of the official track design, making it incredibly simple to just plug and unplug your Joy-Cons. The dock is made from quality ABS material with a stylish matte finish and has an anti-slip rubber pad at the bottom to keep it solidly in place on your desk or entertainment center. You can power it through your Switch console, a USB hub, or a wall charger using the included USB Type-C cable, and it has a clear LED indication to show you the charging status. Most importantly, it has a built-in protection IC chip that provides overcharging, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection, giving you peace of mind. For under $10, the PURBHE dock delivers reliable, safe, and organized charging, making it an absolute steal for any Switch owner. Number 4. SVETACO Fast PS5 Dual Controller Charging Station. Next up, we're heading to the PlayStation arena with this specially designed charger for your PS5 DualSense controllers, and it even works with the Edge model. The SVETACO station stands out immediately with its cool robot helmet-inspired aesthetic, adding a dash of superhero flair to your gaming setup. But it's not just about looks. This station is built for speed. It comes with a 5-volt 3-amp fast-charging AC adapter and a long 59-inch cable, enabling a full recharge for your controllers in just about 2.5 to 3 hours. The bright LED indicators are super clear, showing an orange breathing light while charging and a solid blue light when your controllers are fully charged and ready to go. There's even a convenient touch button to control the LED light, and you'll hear an audible beep to confirm the controller is properly docked and charging. With built-in protection for overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits, this SVETACO station is a must-have PlayStation 5 accessory that combines style, speed, and safety. Number 3. OIVO XSX Controller Charger Station with Rechargeable Batteries. Kicking off our top 3 is this best-selling bundle from OIVO for the Xbox ecosystem. Now, this is more than just a dock, it's a complete power solution. The package includes the charging station itself, along with 2 high-capacity 5,580 mAh rechargeable battery packs designed specifically for Xbox Series XS and Xbox One controllers, including the Elite models. This means you can say a permanent goodbye to buying and disposing of AA batteries. The station refuels both controllers simultaneously in less than 2.5 hours, and a full charge provides a massive 20 hours of playtime. These batteries are built to last, with a cycle life of over 3,000 charges. The tower-style dock has clear LED indicators for each slot, showing red for charging and green for fully charged or standby. It provides a convenient and comfortable way to store and charge your Xbox controllers, giving you a better, more organized gaming experience. For a complete long-term power upgrade, the OIVO bundle is an incredibly popular and reliable choice. Number 2. DINOSTRIKE Charger for Xbox One Controller Battery Pack. Taking the second spot is another powerful Xbox solution, but this one takes a different, highly flexible approach. The DINOSTRIKE charger station comes with a whopping 4 individual 4,080 mAh rechargeable battery packs. This is the ultimate kit for the serious gamer or a household with multiple players, as it ensures you always have a freshly charged battery ready to swap in. The compact square-shaped dock can charge all 4 batteries at the same time, or you can charge them individually as needed. Each battery slot has its own dedicated LED indicator that changes from red when charging to green when ready, so you can tell at a glance which packs are good to go. Each battery takes about 2.5 to 3 hours to charge fully, providing around 10 hours of playtime. With a robust protection system that guards against overcharging, overcurrent, overheating, and short circuits, these batteries can be recharged up to 2,000 times. If your goal is to never, ever run out of power mid-game, the DINOSTRIKE 4 battery system is your absolute best bet. Number 1. NinABXY controller charger station with 2x 5,520 mAh battery packs. And finally, our number 1 pick for the best controller charging station goes to NinABXY. This dock combines high capacity, smart design, and excellent compatibility into one fantastic package. It comes with 2 massive 5,520 mAh rechargeable battery packs, which are the highest capacity on our list, offering a staggering 18 to 25 hours of playtime from just a 4 to 5 hour charge. The dock itself features a unique and very cool X-shaped LED indicator for each slot. It glows a soft green for standby or fully charged, and turns red when charging, giving you a clear visual status without being overly bright or distracting. It's compatible with virtually every Xbox controller out there, from the Xbox One all the way to the Series X and S, and it even includes 4 different battery back covers to ensure a perfect fit for all your controllers. The batteries are eco-friendly and can be recharged over 2,000 times, saving you a fortune on disposable AAs. With its easy drop-and-charge design and a full suite of safety protections including safeguards against overcharge and short circuits, the NinABXY charging station is the complete package. It provides unparalleled convenience, maximum playtime, and peace of mind, making it our top recommendation to upgrade your gaming life.